Hello everyone, my name is Rajesh. I am from CSCC. Today's my topic is about class result prediction using machine learning. As educators, we are constantly striving to improve our students' academic performance. One way to achieve this is through the use of machine learning algorithms that can predict the students' outcomes based on various factors such as attendance, grades, and demographics. The ability to accurately predict class results has the significantly implications for both teachers and students. For teachers, it provides valuable insights into areas where students may be struggling and allows them to tailor their teaching approach accordingly. For students, it helps identify areas in improvement and provides personalized learning experiences that can lead to better academic outcomes. What is class result prediction? Class result prediction is a machine learning technique that predicts the performance of students in a particular subject or courses. It uses historical data such as previous grades, attendance records, and demographic information to identify patterns and make predictions about further performance. For example, imagine a student named John who has consistently receiving high grades in math. Based on his past performance, a class result prediction model could predict that he will continue to perform well in further math classes. On the other hand, if the student named Sarah has struggled with maths in the past, the model might predict that she will need extra support to improve her grades. Why is class result prediction important? Result prediction is important because it helps students and teachers identifying areas for improvement. By analyzing past performance data, machine learning algorithms can predict further academic outcomes and provide personalized learning experience tailored to each student's needs. For example, imagine a student who struggles with math. With the class result prediction, their teacher can identify their weakness early on the and provide additional support such as one-on-one tutoring or targeted practice exercises. This can ultimately lead to improved academic performance and a more positive learning experience for the students. Data collection. Data collection is a crucial step in class result prediction using machine learning. It involves gathering information about students' performance, behavior, and demographics. This data can be collected through various methods such as surveying, assessments, and observations. The collected data must be accurate and relevant to the task at hand, which requires careful planning and execution. Data pre-processing. Data pre-processing is a crucial step in class result prediction using machine learning. It involves cleaning and transforming raw data into a format that can be used by machine learning. This process helps to improve the accuracy of the models and reduce the risk of errors. There are several techniques used in data pre-processing, such as handling missing values, removing outliers, scaling features, and encoding critical categories variables. For example, if a dataset has missing variable values, they can be replaced with the mean or median values of the feature. Scaling features is also important to ensure that each feature contributes equally to the model. Without data pre-processing, the accuracy of the model may suffer and it may not be able to make accurate predictions. Feature selection is a critical step in class result prediction using machine learning. It involves selecting the most relevant features from the dataset that will be used to train the model. This is important because including irrelevant or redundant features can lead to overfitting, which reduces the accuracy of the model. Feature selection can be done using various techniques such as correlation analysis, principal component analysis, and recursive feature elimination. One real-world examples of feature selection is predicting student grades based on their performance in subjects. Model selection. There are several types of machine learning models that can be used for class result prediction, including decision tree, logistic recursion, and neural networks. Each type of model has its own strengths and weaknesses, and choosing the right one depends on the specific need of the tasks at hand. For example, decision tree are easy to interpret and can handle both categorical and continuous data, but they may not perform well on complex data sets, which may features with many features. On the other hand, neural networks can handle large and complex data sets, such but they require a lot of computational power and may be difficult to interpret. Model training. Model training is a critical step in class result prediction using machine learning. It involves feeding the selected features and labeled data into the chosen model, which then learns to make predictions based on the data. During training, the model adjusts its internal parameters to minimize the difference between its predicted values and actual labels. This process is repeated multiple times till the model reaches an acceptable level of accuracy. Once the model is trained, can be used to make predictions on new unlabeled data. Model evaluation. Model evaluation is a critical step in class result prediction using machine learning. It involves testing the accuracy and effectiveness of the model to ensure that it is reliable and can be used to make accurate predictions. There are several methods for evaluating machine learning models, including cross validation and a holdout validation. Cross validation involves dividing the data into multiple subsets and using each subset as both training and testing data. Holdout validation involves splitting the data into two sets, one for training the model and another for testing its accuracy. By evaluating the model using various methods, we can determine its strengths and weaknesses and make necessary adjustment to improve its performance. Challenges and limitations. One of the main challenges is in class result prediction using machine learning is the quality of data. The accuracy of the predictions depends heavily on the quality and quantity of data collected. If the data is incomplete or inaccurate, it can lead to incorrect predictions. Additionally, data privacy concerns can limit the amount of type of data that can be collected, further complicating the process. Another challenge is the selection of appropriate features for prediction. The choice of features can significantly impact the accuracy of the model. However, selecting too many features can lead to overfitting, while selecting too few can lead to underfitting. Therefore, careful consideration and analysis are required to select the optimal set of features. Applications of class result prediction. One of the key application of class result prediction is identifying at-risk students. By analyzing data such as attendance, grades, and behavior, machine learning algorithms can predict which students can most likely to drop out or fail. This allows teachers to administrators to intervene early and provides additional support to their students. Another important application of a class result prediction is providing a personalized learning experience. By analyzing each student's strengths and weaknesses, machine learning algorithms can recommend specific learning materials and activities that can be tailored and the individual needs. Conclusion. In conclusion, we have learned that the class result prediction using machine learning is an important for both the students and teachers. By analyzing data collected from students, we can identify areas for improvement and provide personalized learning experience. We have discussed the different stages of class result prediction, including data collection, pre-processing, feature selection, model selection, training, evaluating, and the challenges and limit involved in the process. It is clear that each stage is crucial to the success of class result prediction using machine learning. Thank you.